In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a template in Adobe Sign. If you've ever needed to tidy up your digital workspace by removing unneeded templates, you're in the right place. Over the next few minutes, I'll guide you through each step to ensure that this task is as simple and efficient as possible. First things first, go ahead and open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you often use to navigate the internet. Once you've got that up and running, type in the URL for Adobe Sign to access the application. Adobe Sign is a powerful tool, and it's always best to start on the main website to ensure that you're in the right place. Now that we're here, you'll need to log into your Adobe Sign account. Ensure you have your credentials handy, your username and password, so you can get straight into your account without any fuss. If for some reason you've forgotten your login details, Adobe provides options to recover or reset them, so don't worry. Once you're successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top of your screen where you'll find various tabs. Here, you want to locate and click on the Documents tab. This is your command center for managing all your templates and signed documents within Adobe Sign. It's always important to familiarize yourself with this section because it houses all your important files. As you navigate through the interface, scroll down until you find the Templates section under Agreements. This section is specifically dedicated to showcasing all the templates you've created or uploaded. It's worth a moment to look through and identify any templates that you no longer need. Keeping your templates organized not only enhances productivity, but also ensures your workspace remains clutter-free. Once you've identified the template you wish to delete, simply click on it. Doing so will bring up a right sidebar with various options related to the selected template. It's an intuitive feature that allows you to manage and edit your templates quickly. Now, all that's left is to locate the Delete option within this sidebar. With a straightforward click, you can remove the selected template from your list. Just be certain of your selection, as once a template is deleted, it might not be easily recoverable. And there you have it. Within a few short steps, you've successfully learned how to delete a template in Adobe Sign. Make sure to revisit these steps anytime you need to clear out your templates and maintain an organized account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped simplify your document management process.